Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio GShock GD400. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, now let's start with making sure that you are in the timekeeping mode, and to do that, press the mode button several times until you get a high-pitched beeping sound. And the display looks like this. Okay, now press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one, until the second is flashing or blinking like this. And then you can reset the second using the forward button. So if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. But if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. So this one, 0 without additional minute. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the daylight saving. If you want to activate, just press the forward button and now it is on for the daylight saving. If you want to deactivate, also the same button and now it is off. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting this one, the city or the time zone. You can use these two buttons. The reverse button will move the city to the west. Okay, and the forward button will move to the east. Okay, now press again the mode button and we are setting this one, the hour. You can also use these two buttons. Reverse button will decrease, so it's like counterclockwise, and forward button is like clockwise, increase. Okay, now press the mode button, and we are setting the minute. Same thing, use these two buttons. Reverse to decrease, and forward to increase. Again, use the mode button, and now is the time format. This one is 24-hour format, so 16 here. And if I press the forward button, it will change to the 12-hour format, 4 p.m. Let me set as 24-hour format, okay? And then press again the mode button, and now we are setting the year. Same thing, use these two buttons, reverse to decrease, and forward to increase. Again, mode button, and now is the month, reverse to decrease, and forward to increase. Again, mode button, and now is the date. Also the same thing, reverse to decrease and forward to increase. Again, mode button, sorry. And now we are setting the length for the backlight afterglow effect. So this one is 1.5 seconds. And if you want to change, press the forward button. This one meaning 3 seconds. So whichever you want, let me set just as 1.5 seconds, okay? And then press again the mode button, and now we are setting the flash alert. If you want to activate or deactivate, use the forward button. So this one is off and this one is on. So let me just set as on for now. And then press again the mode button, and now we're back to setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the adjust button and done. I will also make a more detailed tutorial for this watch. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.